Moto G 5G 2022, sold by DC Deals. Introducing the Moto G 5G 2022, designed for seamless connectivity and performance. Experience blazing fast 5G speeds, perfect for streaming, downloading, and video chatting without lag. Capture stunning photos with the 50MP camera system, featuring dual capture technology. Enjoy up to 2 days of battery life with the powerful 5000 mAh battery. Store all your media with 256 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB via microSD. Benefit from smooth performance with up to 6 GB of RAM for multitasking. Stay protected with a water-repellent design and convenient side-mounted fingerprint reader. Rated 4.2 stars. Order today for $248.89.
Moto G Play 2024. Unlocked 4/64 GB Sapphire Blue. Sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Moto G Play 2024, unlocked and ready for the U.S. market. Experience blazing fast performance with the Snapdragon 680 processor and 4 GB of RAM. Enjoy a fluid display and immersive stereo sound with a 6.5 inches 90 Hz HD Plus screen. Capture stunning photos anytime with the 50MP quad pixel camera's enhanced light sensitivity. Store all your favorite media with 64 GB of built-in storage, expandable up to 1 TB. Stay powered all day with the long-lasting 5000 mAh battery for non-stop use. Sleek and stylish, the Moto G Play features a durable matte finish and splash protection. Rated 3.9 stars. Order today for $149.99.